If you're experiencing crashing issues with Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for your system. Step 2. Verify game files. Open the game launcher, Origin or Steam, and navigate to the Apex Legends game settings. Use the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Disable features like VSync and reduce the resolution to see if that stabilizes the game. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, and other games. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can fix deeper issues that may be causing the game to crash. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues with Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.